Hi Idol, paano namin kayo makukuha ni Mrs. Agassi, Serena Agassi, Carlos Agassi para sa shows, motorcade, guestings, ribbon cuttings, commercials, paid collaborations, public speaking, physical trainer, dietitian, motorcades, judging, lahat yan, hosting. Just DM Wifey Serena Agassi ang mapag-uusapan natin. May bayad ho yan, pati mga video greetings, birthday greetings, may bayad yan. Lahat ng trabaho may bayad. Iba yung charity, yung kawang gawa. Ito po ay trabaho, message yung si Serena Agassi, bibigay niya yung presyo. At ang presyo namin, tamang-tama lang sa kung ano yung kakayahan namin. Hindi sobra, hindi kulang, pero may bayad. Kung natataasan kayo, hindi kami para sa inyo. Kung namumurahan kayo, hindi ayos goods, di ba? Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm at your Dr. Do over 3. Happy guys, God bless. Consistency is key. Discipline. Compare yourself only to yourself. Sa harapan mo, kung sino ka sa salamin, be a better version of yourself today than you were yesterday. Okay, and always pray.